Whoa, didn't see you there. Now, it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, you know, the ones where I actually talk. I think the last time I did one of these talking videos was like Christmas time. What is up, Mr. 2 Life Hackers, and welcome back to another video. I just wanted to make a little announcement, and of course, you know, I gotta monetize. I gotta get views or something out of it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I got a perm. I've been wanting to change my hair for almost like 2 years now. I was meaning to get the perm when I moved to Florida. It was actually in like the lineup of videos I was gonna do around like late 2019. I never got to it because the hair salon that I go to get my hair cut just never called me back about getting a perm done, even though they technically do it. I finally decided one day to go and get it done. I called Fantastic Sam's. They said that they could perm my hair. I want to give a special shout out to Young for perming and styling my hair. Thank you so much. If you guys ever go there, I would recommend her. Without further ado, you know how I am with my montages. Hope you guys enjoy it, and see you on my next video.